Enter Photoshop with the swagger of a traveler carrying a suitcase full of unruly gradients. Toss your image onto the canvas as if you're dumping laundry onto a hotel bed. Begin with the patch tool, dragging selections like you're peeling stickers off a board universe. Rearrange texture patches until the surface of the photo looks like reality finally combed its hair. Click Open the Filter Gallery and apply artistic filters with the seriousness of someone ordering from a menu written in riddles. Try Dry Brush, then Cutout, adjusting sliders like you're negotiating with eccentric creatures demanding tribute.